You want to see two sisters get drunk?
Keeping it real.
And try to do their makeup? Then you've came to the right place.
You came, bitch. You came the house down, boots.
Came the house down, boots, mama, honey, child, sis. Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Alice.
I'm Jenny.
Welcome to another episode of the Alice and Jenny Show.
We're back.
Alice and Jenny is back. Oh, it's been so long. I forgot how to do this. Let's cheers. That's what we need to fucking do. We need to cheers.
Bitch.
So, the Alice and Jenny Show is back. You guys have been asking, so many of you have been asking non-stop, where's Jenny? Where's Jenny? And the thing is, quarantine happened.
Yep. We haven't seen each other physically, been in the same room.
In 3 months.
In 3 months?
3 months. We're going to get into all of that, and we're going to do our makeup. We're just going to do an old-fashioned get ready with us. Mm-hmm. That is what the Alice and Jenny Show...
A little chat, a little sip, a little makeup.
I forgot how much you interrupt me.
Oh.
Wow. Shady bitch. I want her to go home.
I'm leaving.
It's been a long time, Jenny. Have you missed the people? Have you missed them?
I have missed you all.
Right? I think the people have missed you. Are you doing eyes first?
No.
Or face? I think face? Face. Okay, let's do face. And then, we'll talk. We'll talk. So, I don't even want to think about how long it's been since we've done a video together. I could probably look back.
I have no idea what our last video was.
Last video that we did was the Rose All Day Get Ready With Us. It's the pink one with your guitar in the background. 3 months ago. It was 3 months ago.
It's insane.
It's weird. Insane. It's fucking weird to be a twin and not be seeing each other. Mm-hmm. But we wanted to play it safe. Maybe it's a little extreme, but... better safe than sorry. Want to do foundation?
Yes.
I've been using this Wet n Wild. I don't like it a lot.
Really? I have no idea what any of these
I think you like Lancome.
Okay.
Lancome Tinted Dull.
Shit.
So, in addition to not seeing Jenny for 3 months, I have not had fast food in 3 months. Except for In-N-Out one time. We just decided to take this time to, for health reasons, let's avoid fast food, but also it's
health reasons.
Health, for Corona or whatever. But then we're let's, just cook our own food. Girl, I think I've gained weight. Because literally all I eat is frozen pizza.
Are we going to talk about our favorite pizza?
I guess. Don't want it to sell out, but I guess.
It's Kroger brand pizza. It's hot honey pizza. It has marmalade in it.
No, it's honey.
Oh, honey. Okay, whatever. I think it's marmalade, but there's also one that's just marmalade with no pepperonis and stuff. I die.
Yeah.
There's also a Cuban one. And it's ham and Swiss with little pickles on it. I die.
During these difficult times,
I need pizza.
I've become a pizza connoisseur, a frozen pizza connoisseur. No joke. I have gotten every frozen pizza that's under $6 I've tried. Because I just refuse to be paying. Some of these places want you to pay $8 for frozen pizza, and I'm like, I'm sorry. No.
Costco pizza is $10. But, that can last 2 days. It's a huge pizza. Anyways. I love food. I could talk about food all fucking day.
You like that foundation?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool.
Do you want to donate to fund I don't have any good makeup.
You need more makeup? Didn't I just give you concealer?
Yeah, but...
Actually, yeah, you can have it. I don't...
Seriously?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. Yay! Well, look at you. You have a drawer full.
Let's do concealer next. What have you been up to? What have you been up to during
I got a puppy.
No joke. One day into, quarantine, she's just yep, we're getting a puppy.
He's an angel. His name is
I want to do a video.
His name is Loki, the god of mischief. And he lives up to his name. Very mischievous.
Can we do a video where he picks out our makeup? I could bring over a few things and we spread it out, and then he kind of picks the stuff, and then we have to do a full makeup look with that.
Put it on the floor?
Yeah, we'll do it in your room.
He's just going to jump and like try to play and stuff. He's not gonna,
cute.
or he's gonna eat the makeup. Try to eat it.
I mean,
I guess the one that he tries to eat, we will
yeah,
use.
exactly. That's the one that we use. I've missed those dogs.
Mm-hmm. They've missed you.
I'm going over today after we finish this video. Let's do some contour, honey.
Yep.
So all of the carbs has really given me a quite voluptuous double chin during these times. These times.
These difficult times.
Yeah, these difficult times have resulted in a pretty sizable double chin.
Shit, I did
not excited about it.
Too much contour. It's been a while since
Okay, so what you're gonna do is
makeup.
take a big brush like this and just brush it up.
I brought a brush. Thank you, mommy.
So has it been hard like being around your boyfriend like nonstop?
Actually, everything is the same because we both just stay home. We're both, self-employed. Hashtag unemployed.
I have to pee.
Should we pause?
I have to pee. I have to pee.
She has to pee.
Do you want to do cream blush?
Yes.
Lately, I do
Sure.
cream. I do cream blush. It looks scary, but
It does. It looks a little bit like nail polish.
I know, right? So I do a little bit right there, and lately I've been putting my blush on my nose. So
Should I just...
yeah, just do what I do.
Ah! Is that too much?
No, that's good. And then you just stipple.
As why? Give me that brush.
I always use this brush. I gave you the one that I like the most.
Uh.
Do you see how she doubts me, you guys?
I look like I've smeared ketchup on my face.
I'm gonna help you. Turn this way.
Why do I come home?
Look how rosy we look. Like, look how rosy and useful
Useful?
we look useful. Hashtag useful.
Use me.
So yeah, now if you feel like it's too much, you can go over. But trust me, like it's gonna be really cute when everything ties together. So now we can do our powder. I'm gonna get my powder.
I can grab...
Do you want to try this? This is my new favorite powder. I don't think you've tried it. This is the coconut everyday vacay.
Sure.
Everyday vacay powder.
Okay, where's the mic?
Yes.
Guess who got me this for Christmas?
So your favorite sister in the entire world.
It's my second favorite sister. My favorite isn't here today.
It's really
I love
funny.
how it sounds
it's really
like
funny.
a little rattlesnake. I look like I was out in the sun for a while.
Exactly.
Word! Is that a new like trend?
Well, I personally think that it makes my nose look smaller. But I also just remembered I forgot to do cream contour on my nose, which I always
This is nice.
do.
Everything is...
Why do you even doubt me? Like,
Everything
why?
isn't sweaty. No, not the blush.
The powder?
The powder.
Isn't the powder so good? I just realized that I'm doing cream contour after I just set my entire face. I'm wine drunk and I'm excited because I'm filming with my sister.
Fuck it up. Fuck it up, girl. You also have cat hair on you.
Where?
There you go. She's beautiful. She's flawless.
What have you been watching during quarantine? Like, to pass the time?
Drag Race, definitely.
Keeping up on Drag Race. Who do you want to win All Stars 5? I just need to know. Jenny and I try to coordinate watching All Stars, like, so that we can text.
We watched the last episode 2 earlier today. Not totally synchronized, but we try. I kind of want Blair to win.
I like Blair. I personally think that Shea Coulee has already won in my mind. She is a star. She's a star, honey.
I can't see myself in the mirror. I can't see this area in the mirror. But on camera, it looks very orangey. Should we highlight? I want to highlight this area.
You wanna go in with like powder highlight, like shimmer?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. My highlighter drawer.
Guess who got me that?
I guess let's just.
Oh wait, this one isn't rattling. Let me just flick it like a heroin needle. Is this looking right? She hasn't done brows in a while.
I just posted a brow tutorial. Did you not watch it?
I forgot.
Whoops. Should we do eyes?
Yes.
Let's do eyes. Great. What color what colors are you thinking of?
I feel like I'm gonna follow your lead.
Okay. I kind of neutrals.
Oh, okay. Well, I can do that. What about a little bit of like a brick or something?
Brick? So like reds? Oh, bitch, you're talking.
No, but like a dusty old brick. An old fucked up brick. Yeah.
Naked Heat?
Yeah, that works.
Work, child.
Yeah, not like a brand new brick that was just made or anything. Put down some powder. I brought this for the specific reason.
Yeah, you know what? Honestly, we probably should put down some powder just to.
Because I feel like we might be a little rusty. Speaking of rusty, that's what I meant. Rust color, not an old dirty brick.
Rust the house down boots, mama.
Sis. Okay. Kill me. End it.
Sickening.
End it now. What the f? Alice. This is my shirt, y'all.
I gotta get up in here with the small eyeshadow.
Is this enough?
At this point, bitch, I'm YOLOing it. It's
Your what?
It's 6, but it's still light outside, and I'm pretty buzzed. That's a pretty color. That's brick.
Brick house.
She's a
brick that has down bits, mama.
This is so sloppy. We are not taking up close pictures at all. Like, if you people thought that we were gonna get up close and personal with our finished look, honey, you don't want to see that. You do not want to see that. Hot garbage fire. Hot trash.
Alice, I'm super insecure. It doesn't look okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it fucking does. What are you laughing at? Are you laughing at the fact that my winged eyelid is
touching your eyebrow? Yes,
eyebrow right
I am. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh!
Oh. No. You're good. Alice, you're a wizard with makeup. You can definitely fix this. You're good. You're fine. You're beautiful. Don't worry. Take a sip.
My winged eyeliner is officially touching my hairline.
Oh wait, no, that looks sick.
Right?
When I was touching your eyebrow, it was bad, but now I told you could do it.
The wine is kicked in, and it is not looking good.
I'm not here for that today.
What was the point of that cut crease?
I don't know. You wanted to do it. You also wanted to do like a very glamorous look, and I was thinking like, yeah, let's keep it normal. Oh, you're just doing glitter, Alice? What happened to our matching look? Bitch.
You have a choice. Remember oil blotting papers?
Can you not? Look at what I just did. Oh god.
Ooh, look at this glitter though.
Ooh. It's gonna be. Why is this? Why is this? What the f is this?
These are oil blotting papers. I don't think they're very good.
Alice, this is tissue paper. This is tissue paper that somebody cut up into little rectangles.
Yeah, it's a ripoff.
Straight up tissue.
When was your boyfriend
This one-
coming to pick you up? Or
Okay, I swear to God, Alice. Do you think this is oil blotting?
that's supposedly what?
Okay, I'm gonna put it underneath my. Okay. Did that blot shit? No. It just.
What did you do to it?
I put it, okay, well, I kind of ripped it with my nail, but I put it under my arm to see if it actually, like, soaked up anything. And no, it didn't, because it's waxy. It's waxy.
Wet.
It's waxy.
Let's do the under boob test.
It's wet. Okay, well, I put deodorant under my boobs, so I'm not sweating today, honey.
Yeah, it ain't absorbing shit.
This is tissue paper.
All right. You know what? I think we're doing really good. I think we're doing really good. So you don't do mascara beforehand?
Oh shit. That is what I stopped putting this on.
Yeah. Do you curl?
Yes. And I didn't bring a curler and I didn't bring mascara either.
Why are you even here?
As you said, don't bring
I'm
over
just
a bunch
kidding.
of
Yeah,
stuff.
don't bring anything. Do you think we need more blush?
No. No, do you think we do?
That's a joke, right? No. How cute, right? Little Pac-Man blush.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Which one? Cherry or?
I did those too, and it's such like a floppy brush that it barely like puts down anything. So
I literally just like shoved it into my eye.
So I'm feeling a black lip.
Okay, I want something natural.
A nude.
Coral. Oh my god. This takes me back. This was like our go-to.
I'm not gonna lie, that is very old. It's very old.
I know, I'm not gonna use it. Why don't you throw your shit away?
Cause I'm a hoarder. When are you gonna leave? Like,
No, I'm leaving in a second.
tell your boyfriend to come get you.
Okay.
Paul, she's being a bitch. Take me home. I don't like her hair.
I look stunning. Thank you for the advice on the lip color.
Perfect, stunning, gorgeous. And there we are, y'all. The bad one, the bad twin.
The scary one.
And the good twin, Angel.
That concludes our reunion episode of the Alice and Jenny Show. Hopefully you guys had fun. We had fun. Maybe we're a little rusty because it's been 3 fucking months since
we might have rambled a little bit. As you can see, like, we have seriously missed each other and we love, like, yammering on and stuff. We can't wait to make more videos.
Yeah, leave comments
we, like,
down.
play games and interrupt Alice more. My favorite thing to do.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in our next one. Bye.
What link? I don't know about no link.
Yeah. You need to get over here.
Make room.
Sorry, I need to.
Do you want me to? Alice, where is it?
Luckily, all you guys can see is that. Thank you. Come again.
What?
I don't know.
What the hell is that?
What? What? I dropped my leg. Instead of trying to pick it up with my feet.
Oh my god. I almost spat everywhere. Just pick them up, bitch.
Damn, that's like really funny. It's a really funny joke.
It's not a joke,
Pretty
Alice.
sure that everybody watching is gonna be laughing.
I don't think
with
anyone is going to watch this video because it's a complete fucking shit show.